2019 Ford Edge Driver's Notes Review. Months ago, Ford announced it was killing cars in the United States to focus on trucks and crossovers. If it's going to make this business model work, the products it has left need to be highly compelling to a wide range of customers. There should theoretically be an SUV for everyone, from the EcoSport up to the Expedition. And right in the middle of that range is the refreshed 2019 Ford Edge, a 5-passenger midsize crossover that's also now available as the Ford Performance Tuned Edge Street. As intrigued as we are by the Street, though, our tester on this day is the top-of-the-line titanium trim with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is a $1,995 option. Features include LED lighting, a hands-free liftgate, dual-zone climate control, leather seats, a B&O Play audio system, a wireless charging pad, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Our tester also had the $4,150 301A package. It adds adaptive cruise with lane centering, park assist, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats and a panoramic sunroof. All in, this Edge titanium stickers for $44,890. Associate Editor, Joel Stockstale. Once again, I've found myself won over by Ford's EcoBoost engines. This Edge with the turbocharged 2.0-liter is, like the 2.7-liter F-150 we just had, all the crossover you need in the power department. It makes 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. And it all feels a little more potent than the numbers suggest. The engine is quite responsive, and power and torque stay strong through most of the rev band. It's also supported by a transmission that has smooth shifts and picks gears wisely. Even in sport mode, it was shifting just when I wanted it to, which is important since there are no paddles for manual shifting. I also appreciated that it rides smoothly and quietly, while remaining pretty composed and willing to corner. However, the rest of the Edge is less impressive. The interior is aging with lots of middling black plastics and an especially antiquated vertically oriented dashboard design. The exterior